So this is the reveal to the Easy Party Magic trick I uploaded, and it involved the solo cups. Now you need 3 of these because it does involve a gimmick, and I'll show you the gimmick now. It's just the bottom of a solo cup. So what you want to do is you just want to get a pair of scissors and cut the bottom of the cup off. Make sure it's nice and neat, and it doesn't have to be flush, but as long as there's no like jaggedy pointy bits, because then it won't stick out. It will stick out if it isn't cut properly. Like when you put it on the cup, you'll see that the white and the red, it just doesn't look right. But on camera this looks pretty good. I mean, if you come up close you can just about make the lip out there, but from back here at a distance you can't notice it. Now this is best for low level lighting, so like in bars and clubs and stuff like that, and just anywhere that's low level, and preferably somewhere that's a bit noisy, because the coin tends to rattle around if you're using a small coin like a 10p piece or anything like that. But so the bigger the coin the better really. And yeah, that's all you need. 3 solo cups, 2 whole ones, you don't need to do anything to these, and just the third one, cut the bottom off. Now I'll run through how it works. So you take your coin and your cup, and you want to place the coin on top of the cup, and then take your gimmick and just cover it up like so. Now on camera you can't see that at all. I mean, if I come close again you probably can pick it up, but from back here you can't see it. And if you squeeze it, if you don't squeeze it, it makes quite a lot of noise. If you put a bit of pressure on it, it kind of dulls the noise down a bit, so a louder situation would be better. And to perform this, you can start off by putting the second cup inside, your gimmick's on the bottom of your coin in, and you're good to go. So you can pretend to drink from it like I did, and then you can show both cups freely that they are empty. I mean, with the 10p in, it moves around quite a lot, so it's best not to. I mean, you can just quickly flash it, but obviously the louder the situation the better. And on camera you can cut off the sound like I did and just play the song over the top, so it hides and masks that sound. So anyway, flash the cups freely. The bigger the coin, the less noise you'll get. And then what you do is you take the cup with the gimmick, place that down first, then you can flash your empty cup. Now you could do this on the spectator's hand, on a table's best though, because they have a tendency they might drop it. But anyway, I'll just do it here for now. So you can flash this empty cup, place it over the top, and as you do that you just want to squeeze lightly on the edge like that, and it will just stick that gimmick inside the cup. And then you come up like this, and when you show, you can clearly show that that is empty. And if I come closer you might pick up the lip of the cup inside, you might not. In person you probably could, but just a quick flash of that, and put that down, and then draw all the attention over to this cup where the coin is, and then you can tip the coin out and show that it's empty. But if you're doing it for a spectator at a table, they got bird's eye view on this, so they're going to see the coin. Once you've removed this, they're going to, and like flash that, they're going to instantly see the coin on top there, and they're not going to be interested in looking at this cup which conceals the gimmick. In this light you can sort of pick it up inside, but all their attention is going to be drawn to this, so no one's going to be paying attention to this other cup here. So just don't pay attention to it, and just draw all the focus to the coin. You can hand the coin out, you can show the cup empty, and then what I want to do is, what the spectator's holding the coin or saying they're having their reaction, you want to take the other cup and just place it back inside that one, and then you can flash that's empty. If they say, oh, let me look at the cups, you can say, look, there's nothing in there, and they can put their hand in there and feel it. They won't find the gimmick because it's sandwiched inside the 2 cups. I mean, you can take that one out and hand it out to look at them, and just flash this one and say, look, no, this really is empty, and they're checking out the cup and it's all legit. Now if you're going to a party and you know there's going to be solo cups there, what you can do is beforehand try and get the same ones, build your gimmick and take it with you with the coin, and then borrow 2 solo cups, and then while no one's looking just slip your gimmick on the bottom of the one you're using, and then say, actually look, I'll show you a trick, and then go into the trick. So we'll just run through that again. You start off with your coin on top. Not going well, is it? Start off with your coin on top of your cup, and then your gimmick, and then turn it around, and you're good to go. So 2 empty cups, as you can see. I turn this one face down like so. Now look, watch, we're going to make a coin appear. So then that's where the acting comes in, of taking the coin out of the air and throwing it inside. What I did in the thing, you could pretend to have a coin, drop it in, and you can even give it a shake and say listen, and then pinch and steal the gimmick out, flash the cup, draw all the attention over to this one, drop the coin out, flash the other cup, and the rest is just the spectator's reaction. If you want to see any more tricks like this, any more gimmick builds and everything, just let me know down in the comments below and I'll check them out. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another trick.